Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Auto House and our 1979 Porsche 911 SC Targa. This example has 129,000 miles on it. It's a really cool kind of metallic burnt orange. Basically, every panel has a story. However, in May of this year, it's had about $13,000 worth of mechanical work done to it. It leaks zero oil, zero seepage, starts right up, sounds excellent, runs and drives excellent. It's a very fun car. Inside, relatively tidy. No rips in the dash. Cracks is really what I meant. Door cards are good. Passenger seat's good. There are these two split spots on the driver's seat. All the gauges seem to work. There's the current mileage of 129 and change. The 3-liter flat 6 has also had the oil-fed Carrera tensioners added, as well as the CIS pop-off valve. Again, the driving experience is excellent. This is really the perfect candidate to start your outlaw build, or a nice base to start restoring from, or you could happily drive it every single day and not have to worry about it. So there you have it, our 1979 Porsche 911 SC Targa.